Here, it's taping again.
Okay, is yours unknotted?
No, I need to help her.
Hold on to it. Wait, hold on to it. Hold on to this. Wash it. There you go.
Okay.
Yours is washed.
All right, are we ready?
All right, on the count of 3, you're gonna open your gift.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Here, let's help you, Declan. What does it look like?
A suitcase.
With what?
A balloon.
What kind of balloon?
A Disney balloon.
Who is this dude?
Whoa! That's huge.
So what do you think the suitcase might be for?
Packing.
For?
Disney. Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse.
Do you get it? Do you guys understand?
Where are we going with these suitcases?
Declan.
Disney.
We
Yep.
can't believe
Where?
it.
To Disney.
We're
Yep.
going to Disney World.
We are going to Disney World at the end of February.
Declan doesn't understand.
Declan, we're going to Disney World.
Don't palm this one so
Declan.
I'm
hard.
gonna box you.
Here, we'll put Mickey over here. He
You're gonna
walked.
get to go hang out with Buzz Lightyear and Woody.
You're gonna go to Disney World.
He's stunned. Yeah, I don't think he gets it. He's stupefied. Guess who's coming with us to Disney World?
Who?
Nana and Papa.
What about Mickey? How did you make him, Sharon?
So
He's
guys,
got
at the
weights
end
on
of
his feet.
February, we're going to pack up your luggage and we're going to go to Disney World. We're going to meet the princesses and go on all the rides.
Oh,
Don't pop that balloon.
he's
So
fragile.
not the reaction I was
Hey, how
expecting.
do you turn it off?
No tears.